Alright, what's going on, everybody? We just got to Missouri. We are about ready to hit the woods in the morning. We're up here in Camdenton, Missouri. And yeah, it's going to be about 60 degrees in the morning. And I'm hoping to hop on my first turkey. So, I'll let you know how it goes.
And he called one time and it was like, and they were right on that hillside. And then they crossed. They were about, what, 60, 70 yards from us, and they just kept walking. There were like five of them.
They didn't want to have nothing to do with him. They didn't want to have nothing to do with my calls. They never answered after.
And I'm like, I'm going to pick the bigger one. And he was like 15 yards from me. And I was just like,
Nice.
I got to shoot him.
I did do a good video of the death flop.
Did you?
Yeah. It did do a good death flop.
get him, man.
Great shot, man.
Oh my God, I didn't miss. I didn't miss.
Is it a Tom? Awesome. I got GoPro.
Oh my God, thank y'all. Thank y'all. That was insane. Good bird.
Doing the flap.
Death flap. Hold on, Zane.
Great shot, man.
Hang on. I gotta get the old death flap if I can get it. Oh my God, that smoked him.
That was crazy.
Oh my God, I'm shaking.
Man, that was so cool.
So, alright, now tell me, how nervous was you whenever you started seeing those birds come across?
I didn't get nervous until I saw them about 40, 50 yards out. I go, okay, this is happening. This is real.
You son of a...
Oh my God, it smoked him. He didn't even move. He literally just dropped. Oh.
You know that I'm trying to get that death flap.
I've never seen him like pitch down and do all that.
That's awesome.
Well, we were hiding under a cedar tree. They pitched down right in the field, and they're like 100 yards out, and then just walked right through us. Right at 10.
More than that, see that one strand?
10 1/4. Just about.
Yes. 10 1/4.
That's pretty good. Spurs.
I don't know. He's only like 3 inches up here.
Oh, almost an inch. Oh.
Give it an inch. 15/16, kind of, but
He is just shy. Just shy of an inch. That one's an inch.
yeah, that one's an inch. That one's honestly 1 1/16.
A little bit more.
So there, you got
I'm
an inch
calling
average.
that an inch. Yeah.